Hello folks, welcome to ADV Japan. So this is a supplemental video to the bar rise video, and the reason I'm making this is because I had quite a fun time yesterday in the field rewiring my clutch cable. And the reason why is because I thought my clutch cable was good to go, and I tested it before I left and everything seemed to work fine. When I got into the forest though, however, and I was trying to get myself out of a rut, I turned the handlebars to the right and it totally disengaged the clutch and I lost power. And I was like, what is going on? And it just kind of dinged in my head. I was like, this has got to be a clutch issue. So I came around, took a look at the clutch cable down here, this little clutch arm. And I noticed that when I turned the handlebars to the right, the clutch arm would move forward almost a quarter inch and it would disengage my clutch. So, as if I were, literally like squeezing this here like this. It literally moved like that much just by moving the steering wheel or the handlebars to the right. So I yanked it out. I yanked the cable out, fished it out, basically just runs, all up and through here. Fished that out, pulled it out, and then rewired it. So basically it used to go down into here, and now it just kind of runs straight directly down in there. And I didn't have any issues. Let's see, it's kind of runs right down in here. Didn't have any issues. I rode the bike home fine. It worked fine. In fact, I even, I did some more off-roading with this. Works good. I can take the steering wheel or the handlebars and move them to the right, and you can see my clutch cable. My clutch arm doesn't move anymore. Despite that, I did order a longer cable, so I'm hoping that cable will come here pretty soon because I want to get back out there and do some more riding. In the meantime, this should do. One other thing you also want to check when you do a bar rise is this little plastic kind of grommet thing that covers the ignition. So when I finished, this thing was like way up here, and it got kind of stuck on something, so I actually couldn't really push it down very easily. And so I went to turn the bike on, unlock the handlebars, and I couldn't push the key down. I was trying to figure out what was going on, and it just ended up that this got pushed up when I raised the bars. So I had to move some cables around and then just push it back down. So it's kind of surprising that that's not attached to anything. That's not attached to the actual ignition. So yeah, you may want to watch out for that. Other than that, I think everything is good. The brakes are fine. I did some tiny adjustments here for the brakes and the clutch as far as the lever is concerned here, so I could get a little bit more play. Even that's not really enough play. It's still really, really, really tight. Yeah. All right, ladies and gents, great. Thanks for watching. If you felt like this video was helpful, please go and subscribe, like and subscribe. I really appreciate it. And I'll keep putting more videos up, man. All right, y'all take it easy. Have a good day.